Hello, in this video we'll show you the location and how to replace the fuel filter on Audi A5 F5 3.0 TDI. The fuel filter in this car is located underneath the car. It's located just behind this plastic cover. To get access to the fuel filter, we need to remove this plastic cover and all those bolts holding it. That's the plastic cover removed, and now we have access to the fuel filter. That's the fuel filter right there. To remove the fuel filter, first we need to remove this nut holding this metal plate and remove the metal plate, and then we need to disconnect the two fuel lines. Next, I'm going to disconnect the two fuel lines. Now that the two clamps are put to the side, I'm going to disconnect the fuel lines from the fuel filter. The fuel line seems to be stuck on the fuel filter, but I'm going to use a screwdriver to pry it out. That's the fuel line out. Now I'm going to remove the second fuel line. And that's the fuel filter out. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one. This is the new fuel filter. This is the part number for it, and make sure you follow the arrow of direction. The arrow should be pointing towards the front of the car. Now I'm going to put on the two fuel lines. And next I'm going to put the metal clamps on. This metal clamp doesn't seem to want to go onto the fuel line, so I might as well just take out the fuel line again. First put the metal clamp back in its exact position, and then I will try to put the fuel line onto the fuel filter. This is because these metal clamps are fairly new and they're still pretty tight, and that's why they're very hard to put on. You might want to get somebody to help you to hold the fuel filter while you put the fuel line back on, if it's the same in your case. And as the two fuel lines on, that's the fuel filter replaced. Now we're going to put on this metal plate and put the nut on and tighten it. Before starting the car, first we need to prime the fuel system. To do that, I'm going to use my scan tool. We're gonna go inside the car, turn the ignition on, go into engine electronics. Next we're gonna go into actuation test, and here we'll find the fuel pump electronics that we need to go into. Here we can see on the menu number 10 is fuel pump electronics. We're going to press OK, and now we're going to press start, and then the electric fuel pump in the fuel tank will start priming the fuel system. The fuel pump will start working. It will be on and off for about a minute or a minute and a half, and this way the fuel pump will prime the fuel system, and then we can start the car. When you activate this test, you hear the fuel pump in the fuel tank running. So like I said, we'll wait for about a minute and a half, and then we can stop the test, or it will stop itself. Here in my case, the actuation test status set finish timeout, so that means the fuel system has been primed, so now I can start the car. So now I'm going to turn the ignition on and then press the brake pedal and start the car. When I start the car, I'm going to press the accelerator for a few seconds just to make sure that the system has been primed completely. I'm going to let it run for about a minute or so, and then I'm going to turn off the car. And that's how you replace the fuel filter and prime the fuel system on this car. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.